Welcome to my smart home. On our Smart Home YouTube channel, you will discover the most practical ways to bring technology to your home and master all the intricacies of home automation systems. Get ready to build a smarter home every day with tips, detailed reviews, and brand new technologies that will make your life easier. Controlling your Bryant boiler with Apple HomeKit makes managing your home heating system smarter and more user-friendly. Bryant's smart thermostats, compatible with HomeKit, allow seamless control through Siri commands and Apple devices. Start by setting up your Bryant smart thermostat and connecting it to your Wi-Fi network. Ensure the thermostat is compatible with Apple HomeKit. Next, open the Apple Home app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and select Add Accessory. Scan the HomeKit code on the thermostat or manually enter it to add the device to HomeKit. Once the integration is complete, you can start controlling your boiler with Siri. For example, you can say, "Hey Siri, set the temperature to 72 degrees," or "Hey Siri, turn on the boiler." You can also use the Apple Home app to adjust temperature settings, switch between modes, and use programmed schedules for better energy efficiency. With Apple HomeKit's automation features, you can integrate boiler control with other smart devices. For instance, create a routine to turn off the boiler when you leave home or activate heating before you arrive. These features not only enhance comfort, but also help you save energy. If you liked our video, leave a comment below about which device you would like to see controlled. We will quickly shoot and share a new video specific to that device. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar content. You will both support us and be instantly informed about our new videos. We look forward to your comments and subscriptions.